Greetings, Law Architects here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more details to your sections, whether it is a professional project or if it is for a school presentation. So first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and make a section first. So in order to make a section, you must have a floor plan with some furnitures in it for the visual effect. And then we will go to View, Section, and trace the section in the location that you want it to be. Excellent. And then click on it. And as you can see, it has close to 0 visual effects. Now, for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to use Section 2. So first and foremost, let's go to the Visual Style, Graphic Display Options, and let us select Smooth Lines with Anti-Aliasing. This will allow you to smoothen up the section. And step 2, we can play with the shadows. Let's do ambient shadows, and you can already see the difference. And now let's add some cast shadows. Perfect. This is already good, but we're gonna play with it even more. And then we can go to the lighting. If we want to make the shadows darker, we just augment the level. But I'm going to reduce it for the sake of the tutorial. Perfect. Alright, and then we're going to go to background. We're going to select gradients and apply. As you can see, it's going to give you a colorful background. You can play with the colors as well by selecting each pattern. You can modify the numbers, or you can play with the color pattern and go ahead and select the one that you want. But I'm going to leave it as is. Or you can also go ahead and select an image and enter a customized image, or you can use the sky. But I'm going to go ahead and leave mine as is. Excellent. Now let's click on OK. Now we're going to come to the details. We can either leave it at coarse or select medium, which refines it, but I'm going to go with fine, which will even further refine it. You're going to see the difference yet? You're not going to see the difference of the modification yet, but in a moment, you will see why I left it at fine. And then we go back to the visual style once more. So we're in hidden right now. Let's select shaded. So once we do shaded, that is going to add more colors, but we can do even better than this. All right. And then we can actually go to consistent colors, which will refine it further and make it lighter. I usually like this style when I have close to 0 tone. However, let's do better. We can go to realistic right away. As you can see, that adds even more details. You can clearly see the characters in there. You can see the details of the greeneries and the trees. Perfect. This is excellent. So this is how you add more details to your Revit sections. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.